Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 116. If we start with this box, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this row now, we're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 covering here and here, so this must be our 5. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 6, 4 here, so 6, 9, and no help here, 4, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help, so 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 7, 8. We can get rid of this 6. For this row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got the 9 covering these two boxes, so 3, 4, 3, 4. That means the only place the 9 can be is here. That 9 makes this our 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 9. But if we look, the only place the 9 can be in that row now is here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 2, 3. That 3 makes this our 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. Oh, and this 3 makes this our 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 3, 4, and that 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.